Hello there, welcome to Learn in 10 Minutes. My name is Joseph and I'll be your teacher today. In the previous video, we looked at some features of the Microsoft Word 2016 such as the File tab, which is located on the left side of the screen. And then we looked at the Tell Me What You Want to Do assistant. And we also looked at the Quick Access toolbar located at the upper right corner of your screen. In this video, we will look at the Quick Access toolbar and how you can customize it to make things easier for us to use. I hope you are ready. Let's begin. So what is the Quick Access toolbar? The Quick Access toolbar is a customizable toolbar that contains a set of commands that are independent of the tab on the ribbon that are currently displayed. So there's the same set of commands available on some of these tabs that are set independently. So items you use regularly, you can customize the Quick Access toolbar to have it, so you can have easy access to them anytime you want to use it. To customize the Quick Access toolbar, you have to click the drop down arrow here on the far right corner of the Quick Access toolbar to have this very set of elements you currently have. Then when you come to more commands, you have three areas here. You have the first area, which is the menu. Then you have the elements or the commands you can assign to the Quick Access toolbar, and then you have the area where you can assign those commands. Now let's take a look at the current elements on the Quick Access toolbar. Under the commands option, you have the popular commands selected. Once you click the drop down button, you have a whole lot of commands you can use in the customization. It pulls each and every one of these commands from the ribbon. So you realize that the very same tabs we have on the ribbon is represented here. The Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Layout tab, Reference tab, and so on and so forth. It equally has sampled tabs from the ribbon, like the Smart Tool tab from the Design tab, and then the Outline tab also from the Design tab, or the Printing tab, or the Equations too. Each and every one of these tabs contain a set of elements you can assign to the Quick Access toolbar, so you can have easy access to them on your everyday use of the Microsoft Office suite. You can equally select all commands to see the entire database of commands they have in the Quick Access toolbar as represented here, or you can just select popular commands and then have a sampled set of commands they have here, which you can add to your Quick Access toolbar. Let's take a few examples and then see how it will change our Quick Access toolbar. Our current Quick Access toolbar have Save, Undo, Redo, and then Print Preview and Print. When we look over here, that is what we are seeing here in icons: Save, Undo, Redo, and then Print, Preview, and Print. Anything we click over here, any command we click over here, we can add to the commands we see over there. So let's just say we select a command like font color and we click add. It comes to add up to the Quick Access toolbar, but it will not automatically add up to the ones we see at the top here unless we tell it to show. We can equally come through and select a command like bullets, and then we can add to the Quick Access toolbar, or we can equally go through and select something like new and add to the Quick Access toolbar. So new file, then you can add to the Quick Access toolbar and it will equally pop up there, or even insert picture, then we add to the Quick Access toolbar. All that can now show when we tell it to show. Let's get a bit detailed and select something very unique. So let's come to Reference tab, and then let's look for Table of Contents. Then you can select the table of contents here and add it to our quick access toolbar. That's done. Let's just click the OK button and then try out what we want to do. Once you click the OK button, you realize that they just pop up here. Everything you selected in the quick access toolbar can come over here. That means that now you have easy access to these commands and you can use them in your daily use of the Microsoft Office Word 2016. Let's try some of these things out. I'll type a series of words, then I'll, instead of clicking the bullet option here, I'll click the bullet option here, and you realize that it will equally act the same way for me. So I can type a series of words like school, tree, then airports. Once I select all these three texts and I click bullets, automatically bullets the words for me. I don't have to go through the problem of coming to home and then clicking bullets. That means that I can access the bullet option I have set on the quick access toolbar from any screen. So let's assume that I am on references page and I wanted to bullet these three items. I can just come here and click the bullets option here and it will do it for me. The quick access toolbar makes it easy for you to do very complicated tasks so simply, because it allows you to customize the very things you need on a daily basis and then add it to your toolbar so you can access it anywhere. In the previous video, I stated that the quick access toolbar can be set to fall below the ribbon. So let's try that out. Once you click the drop down button on the far right corner of the screen, you click set show below the ribbon. Once you click that, the quick access toolbar will move from the top or the title bar below the ribbon. Once it's set below the ribbon, you equally have the very same commands you've set, like the table of contents, new, the bullets we are currently using, which we can remove, the fonts, print preview, that will bring us an option as to how we want our documents to be printed, and so on and so forth. Let's restore this option back. Bring your mouse over to the far right corner of the quick access toolbar, click it, and then go to show above the ribbon to move the quick access toolbar back to the top of the ribbon. Now, the quick access toolbar also allows you to rearrange the elements or the commands you've placed on them. Once you click the drop down button and you come to more commands, you can come here, select the item you want to move up or down, and with the controls here, you click up to move the item up to the preferred location, or you move the item down to the preferred location. Once you click OK, that changes are made on your quick access toolbar. That means that now you have rearranged the quick access toolbar. Another interesting thing about the quick access toolbar is whatever configuration you may have done here can be saved so you can use it on a different device or on a different computer. All you just need to do is click the drop down button, come to more commands, and then you export or import. So when you come here and you click the drop down arrow beside the import and export, and you click export or customizations, everything you've set on the right side of the quick access toolbar can be customized and then saved to an external device so that you can always have access to it. This means that when you install Microsoft Word on a different computer and you want to use the same configurations, you can go and pick it from there. I would want to know what you think about the quick access toolbar. Try it out and give us your take on it. That'll be all for this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Do leave us a comment below and let's follow you as well. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.